In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a merch designer and make money with Google Nano Banana. We'll turn simple product photos into polished merch mockups using Google's Gemini image tool, often called Nano Banana for this feature, and we'll do it in a way that's fast, consistent, and client-ready. Start by opening your browser and going to Google. In the search bar, type Google Gemini, then choose the official Gemini site from Google's results. Once you're in, find the Create Image button and click it. That opens the image workspace and activates Nano Banana so you can combine photos and directions. Next, click the plus sign to upload your references. Select both your logo and your product photo at the same time. Here, a bottle. Uploading them together helps the tool understand how the logo should interact with the object. For best results, use a clear, high-resolution product image and a logo with a transparent background. Good lighting and minimal clutter make alignment and shadows more accurate. Now write your prompt. Keep it precise. Using the provided bottle image, place the logo naturally onto the bottle as a realistic engraved design. The engraving must follow the bottle's shape, lighting, and texture with authentic depth and subtle shadows. That language tells Gemini to warp the logo to the bottle's curvature and to respect highlights and reflections. If you already know the placement you want, you can mention centered on the front label area or smaller near the neck to guide the result. Click Submit and let it generate. Review the output. If the logo looks too bright or too flat, refine the prompt with notes like subtle contrast or lighter engraving. Let's create a second mockup for soft goods. Click the plus sign again and upload your logo along with a photo of a bag. Then write, using the provided bag image, apply the logo as a realistic engraved or embossed mark that blends perfectly with the bag's material. You can name the material leather, canvas, or nylon and add a preferred placement like top center or lower right. Click Submit to render. With those two examples, you have a repeatable merch design workflow. Use your own logos or ones you're licensed to use, and always check the terms for any platform where you'll post or sell. High-quality, realistic mockups like these help clients visualize products, boost storefront conversion, and let you iterate quickly without costly samples. Practice a few variations, save your best prompts, and you'll be ready to present professional merch concepts in minutes.